Hello, thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to use cross-platform messaging with Facebook and Instagram. Facebook and Instagram accounts can now be linked together in a new way for this cross-platform messaging. In this video, I will be using Instagram as the way to link it, but you could also link it through Messenger in your settings in Facebook. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm using the Instagram app, and that's how I will show you how to link them together. To begin, you open the Instagram app, and then you go to your profile page, which is down at the bottom. It's got kind of like the face and the circle around it. You click that, and that brings that up to your page. And then you're going to tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of your account, and then you're going to go from here and click on the settings. And when you click on the settings, you'll see down at the bottom it says Facebook and Account Center. So what you're going to want to do is click on that account center, and it will open it up and it will give you information about the different accounts that you have. So what you're going to want to do here is you're going to click accounts and profiles. And when you click this, it will probably the first time give you the option to say add accounts. So you're going to click that add accounts, and it will bring up the accounts that you are logged into on your device. So I have my Facebook account already through an app on my device, so it shows up there. If you have a different account, you can click that change button and change the account that it's linked to. But I want to link to that one. So what I'm going to do is down at the bottom, I will click the continue button to link these two accounts together. And then it will give you the information. It talks about the data policy and all the information, but you can just click finish setting up. And when it does, it will link the two together, and then you will see the two profiles there listed at the top that you have linked together. So this will allow you to easily and seamlessly have conversations with your friends that are on Instagram and on Messenger without them needing to have accounts on both. So you're basically using Messenger for both. And you can do this from Facebook to Instagram also. So check out some of our other instructional videos at Salem Public Library, Ohio, and have a wonderful day.